friends, welcome to Tilottamahandloom.in. I am Choitali back again with some new collection of our Tasar silk sarees. Hope you are all good today and thank you so much for your love, support and cooperation. So let's start to see our sarees. Saree number 1. This is our first saree. It's golden zari border with both side golden zari weaving border and it's hand kalamkari. It's hand kalamkari with a rust color body and both side kalamkari painted, hand painted design on this tasar silk. And this pallu design, it's a peacock, big peacock in this pallu. See the pallu. And all over the saree, the same border, both side border with the middle part of this saree is the rust color on it. And the blouse piece is, its contrast is red. This one blouse. Saree number 2. This is all over jal butta with a flower and the both side have the red and the blue border with the zari border on it. Both sides have the same border. Pallu is in stripe with a red and blue stripe and blouse piece is blue, contrast blue. It's royal blue blouse and all over the saree has the same look. This is saree number 2. Saree number 3. It is also a zari border tasar. It's all over have the same hand painted design. The base color is brown and the leaf and flower all over the body. This one pallu. It's pallu. And this is chocolate is blouse piece. This is blouse piece. Saree number 4. It's another hand painted pure tasar silk saree. The design is very beautiful one. It's first up is in yoke. It's black painting, flower painting on it, and the lower half of the saree is shaded. This type of shaded lower half, and the design is going on like this way. I will show you the full look. This is the first half of the saree, and the second half of the saree. The black flower part is in the lower part. This one the blouse piece, Rani pink blouse with the golden zari border on it. This is the saree look. Today I am showing all the sarees are pure tasar silk saree with golden zari border. People who like to purchase, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilottamahandloom.in and you can browse and order from online from our website. Our next saree is a blue with a pink combination, block printed pure tasar silk saree with golden zari border. This is very beautiful color combination, blue with the rani pink combination and white flowers and block used in the all over the saree. This one the pallu and this one blouse. It's rani pink blouse. Pallu is the stripe zari with a white block print on it. And all over the saree have the same pattern, blue with the pink color combination. It's very beautiful one. It's block printed. Our next saree is the grey with a chocolate brown border with a golden zari and all over the body have the same flower motif. It's hand painted design. All the saree has a painted by one efficient painter from us, House of Tilottama. This is all over hand painted design. All the sarees is painted, not block printed, not printing one, it's hand painted. This is pallu. It's contrast brown blouse. Our next saree is another one, blue with a green combination, golden zari with tasar. Body is blue with the green combination and the blocks are used by white. It's pallu blue is the contrast blouse piece. It's all over have the same design on it. This is block printed pure Tasar silk saree. Another beautiful Tasar silk saree with a golden zari border. Body color is off-white and we work with the yellow, blue and orange color. It is also a hand-painted design. The all over the saree design is by hand. It's not block printed, it hand-painted design with the golden zari border. Border use the Firozi blue with the zari border. Both sides have the same blue color border. This one pallu. This one pallu. And blouse is this Firozi blue. All over saree has this hand-painted design. It's really beautiful saree. Our next Tasar silk is midnight blue body color and border is red border. It's kalamkari design. The design is designed by hand. It's not printing. It's hand painted design. The kalamkari print is doing by hand. The both side border has this red flower motif ornamental design. This kalamkari design in borders with a golden zari. Body color is very soothing. It's midnight blue. It's not grey. It's midnight blue. This one pallu. It's pallu. And red is the blouse piece. Red is the blouse piece. After draping, it's look like this. Our next saree is another zari border Tasar. It's a golden zari border with a pink shade on it, and the all over body is this type of design, leaf motif. It's block printed Tasar silk. All over the saree the same print. This one pallu with a golden stripe itself. It has the golden stripe weaving border with the pink another panel on it. It's pallu and this one pink is this is the saree. Our next saree is another kalamkari design, pure Tasar silk. It's a golden zari border with a yellow border and body is the pastel shade of green with the kalamkari design. All over the saree have the same design. This one pallu, it's pallu and this is blouse piece. This one our last saree of this episode. This is the border. Upper side has the same small border on it and lower side border little bit high in length. This is lower side border and body is this green, body is yellow. Upper side border is small and lower side border is little bit thicker border on it. This is pallu and this is blouse piece, orange is blouse. Thank you so much for watching our show. People who like to purchase, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is given below 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilotamahandloom.in. Thank you so much. If you like, just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the regular notification. Happy shopping with us. Bye.